Mike and Megan!
I dare you.
No, 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 no. Every time we do this, it escalates too far. Like, remember last time I drank bleach and I was in the hospital for 3 months?
Pussy.
You're kidding. Oh, God. Okay. All right. God, if I swell up like Oprah, it's gonna be your fault.
That'd be fun.
Follow me.
What? Where are you going?
Payback, motherfucker! Chug it.
No, lactose intolerant.
Allergic to cats. Chug it. Pussy.
Pussy.
Pussaholic.
Bathroom. I regret our friendship. Oh, revenge is hitting you so hard. Chug, 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 chug. Holy shit. How the hell did you do that?
Boom! You. Come here.
No, you're holding a knife.
I know that. You should come here.
No, not while you're
Just
holding a knife.
I'm holding but a plastic handle. Now come here. Now you.
Yes.
You are going to cut your hand off.
No, I'm not. What
Yeah,
we're gonna do
you are.
is we're gonna go to the hospital because you probably have alcohol poisoning.
No, I don't. This ain't shit, okay? I am fine.
Okay.
Point is that you are going to cut your hand off.
I'm not gonna cut my hand off.
Yet I triple dog dare you.